for you guys. She said she wants to show you exactly what it looks like. When a unicorn does a handstand, I mean balancing on the BKT tires. She had so much control and so much, momentum with that truck. I'm amazed. We're gonna find out if you guys are amazed. Let's check it out. The current score to beat right now is held by John Zimmer Jr. in terminal velocity. He's got a score of 7.748. The score for Jamie Sullivan in Sparkle Smash is Nashville. That's a 9.277. We've got a new leader. Let's hear it for Fernando Martinez in El Toro Loco. You see those ribbon boards that turned red? That's your cue to head on over to judgeszone.com and get your scores locked in for Fernando Martinez. I mean, a great run. He's able to pull off 2 successful maneuvers. And you know what? He's a smart driver. He's thinking about it. You can see he's calculating it as he's going around the track. But I mean, check out this action. The super quick move to the action replay. He's able to recover from those harsh landings and pull off a successful 2 maneuvers. We're going to see what you guys thought, though. The scores are locked in. The score for Fernando.
NashvilleToronto.com. Score now, score now, score now.
Montana Robbins and Plain Crazy calling to you, Nashville. He wants to see those wings in the crowd. And he said, you know what? You guys delivered. He's going to show you some major air. He's driving this Monster Jam truck like it's got wings on it. It's stealth. But let him hear you, Nashville. We got the current score to beat right now, currently held by Sparkle Smash with a score of 9.277. The score for Montana Robbins and Plain Crazy is so close, Nashville. It's a 9.1.